just arrived at the upper school in Vancleave. Okay, I got my turtle and my cameras, and we're gonna see if we can get this guy a falsie for his shell. How cool is that? Alright, so let me get busy. Later.
He's slipping. Stop. His hand is backwards.
What? Why are you talking about that?
Send that to AFB. They'll love that. They're gonna love it.
What's up, dude? We made you scary.
There you go.
Dun, dun, dun.
Send that to AFB.
Oh, no.
With the design.
All right, today we're over here at Vancleave Upper Elementary.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right. In that box right there is Jigsaw. Jigsaw was actually brought in today to have be fitted for an implant and to discuss the pros and cons of implantation in a turtle. We got some pictures and some cool stuff we'll add to this. But anyway, the kids are in a hurry to be on YouTube, so we're gonna give them a quick make a star is born.
I didn't know this was on YouTube. I thought
It's not on there yet, but it will be.
I know, but pineapple one day.
That's my
Say, what was the turtle's name we worked on today?
Jigsaw!
Yeah. And what did we do to Jigsaw?
We put sharks in Play-Doh.
We made him a shark. Play-Doh had
Made him Jigsaw.
Is he gonna have grappling hooks and katanas in his shell?
Yes, he's also gonna be a shark.
We made him a shark turtle.
Yeah, I formed a shark on him.
he had a couple
Anyway.
incidents.
All right, so say goodbye, everybody.
He had a couple incidents.